saw a look in your eye. The last time that we spoke and you said goodbye, it's been stuck on repeat in my mind. I remember that I felt I could cry. Couldn't explain it at the time, but I now know why. You were hiding your decline and the pain inside, for me or just for your pride. Now I'm feeling like I'm running in a dream, but my legs, they just won't work and I'm trying to scream. And everything's on fire and I'm trapped, it seems. Wake me please, intervene. But I know this isn't just some fantasy, and I gotta get to you by whatever means. So feet, don't fail me now, don't abandon me. I need you to please just breathe, please breathe. Please, just breathe. Before you turn to leave, please just breathe. I'm begging you, begging you, I'm begging you, begging, please don't go away. Hold on for one more day. I'm begging you, begging you, I'm begging you, begging, please don't go. Begging, please don't go. Begging, please don't go. Now I'm a million miles up in the air, and I hate that you're alone and that I'm not there. Please tell me you know that I care. Feeling opposite, there's nothing I can do. I'm trying everything I can just to get to you. I love you and I know that you love me too, but I just need to know that you knew. Please help me and you. Before you turn to leave, please just breathe. I'm begging you, begging you, I'm begging you, begging, please don't go away. Hold on for one more day. I'm begging you, begging you, I'm begging you, begging, please don't go. I promise that I'd die for you in a second if I needed to, but that won't do no good to tell you the truth. You know I'm better off living alone. Before you